Hello, welcome to Invictus Motors. We're going through a bit of an expansion phase at the moment. This is currently our barn. When we first moved into this lovely man cave of a barn, we had a ramp right here in the center of basically this space where if we needed to do any sort of inspections, you can see where the old ramp is, any sorts of inspection or any workshop related work. This is where they were basically carried out. But now we predominantly use this to kind of park our cars up when we are getting them retail ready, whether they are ready or whether they're in the process of ready. So this lovely GT3 RS, you saw that Ferrari F430 in the background, a few 991.1s, well 4 actually, and a 997.2. And the video is simply to kind of just give you a quick glimpse. This is our office right there, is to give you a quick glimpse of the kind of setup that we have and what we are doing at the back. This is where we actually moved our ramp to do inspections, whether that's bore scope, do any major servicing, etc. We've got this 997.1. We've done the left side bore scope inspection, and we're doing the right side. And if you actually just come onto the inside here, this is where you remove the wheel, heat shields, coil packs, spark plug, and you access bank 2, which is the 4th cylinder, 5th and a 6th. And we've got a camera that enables us to carry out that inspection. And obviously, as part of being able to have this setup here, we're able to kind of do this kind of work, perform inspections, do works not only on our cars, but also on customers' cars that want to book in any sort of minor or major servicing, and just trying to use our expertise, not just for our own cars, prepping them, getting them ready, but also potentially for any future customers, whether they want inspections or whether they want works done on their Porsches. They can obviously reach out to us and we can quote them, or potentially even down the line from an enthusiast point of view, just do like a Saturday surgery, offering free inspection on cars, or probably servicing at a discounted price. This is Ganada. I've used this company previously, who initially installed this ramp in the barn there, and then they obviously moved that ramp from the barn to here, and now we're getting a new ramp. This is going to be the 5-ton ramp. And the space around here, there's a Porsche 987 Boxster under here. This has had, let me actually just briefly show you. This has had pretty severe water ingress. So this is getting, it's been all stripped out. We're just in the process of all drying it up, and I've had a heater in there for quite some time. So this space is all going to be used to kind of store cars, park cars up that need to be worked on here at the workshop. And for situations like this, where we actually need to strip, where we actually strip the interior to give it time to let it dry out and to have it all ready. The purpose of the second ramp is anytime we're doing sort of any major works, major coolant pipes works, gearbox, clutch replacement, AMS bearing, you name it, anything big and major. Having one ramp doesn't really kind of get us to where we need to. So the idea of the second ramp is that we could do all the major works on this second ramp, and that first ramp is always available, always there for any sort of minor, straightforward work that we can get in and get out. So yeah, this is our little setup. This is a video that I've been waiting for quite some time to do, and I'm just very grateful to these guys on such a short notice to actually come out and do this. This has taken a lot of money and a lot of time to be able to kind of prepare this area, both from a concreting point of view. We've basically done this all ourselves. My cousin at the back, Kyle, I think you'll probably see him running around in the video. So we're very grateful, very proud of how far we got. And the marquee is phenomenal in the winter and not so great in the summer because it can get blisteringly hot. But, it fulfills our need. This is not a site that we own. So to be able to actually put up a building of this site and spend £100,000 plus not owning the site doesn't really make any sense. So yeah, we're able to do what we need to do here. It gets us through, it fulfills our needs. And if you're out there owning a Porsche and you want to reach out to us to be able to assist or to help with, or to, you know, do any bits and pieces of work that potentially we could assist with our level of expertise, we would be more than happy to take a look at those things. So thank you very much for watching the video. And also not to forget, we can also do MOTs because we've got relationships with a few MOT garages. So if you need MOTs done, feel free to reach out, book it in, and we'll get any MOTs you need done. But thank you for watching, and see you in any future videos. For now, this ramp is going to go up and it's going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you.